Hello, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I'm going to tell you how to remove or change the background of any green screen video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get the notification first. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first, you open Premiere Pro and create a new project in it. As you can see, I have created a new project. So now I will import my green screen video into Adobe Premiere Pro. So first, we need to create a new sequence. So now we will bring our video into our sequence. So now we have to go to the Effect panel and search for Ultra Key. As you can see, here is Ultra Key. Now we're going to pick it up and put it on our video. Now we will go to the Effect Control panel and select your video. So here you will see a tool. Now we will click on the green screen with the help of this tool. As you can see, our background has been removed with the help of one click. So I hope you enjoyed this little video today. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and share with your friends.